Hey guys, Jack Neely here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. I am standing in front of one of Boston Whaler's smallest super sports, but man, this boat is a sweet boat. She could do a whole lot of things being very small, but she's very versatile. So we've got an unsinkable hull, of course, that all of our Boston Whalers are known for. We've got it on a small and easy to maintain magic tilt trailer, so you can fit it in a single car garage very easily. And one thing to note about this boat is it's very, very simple. We've got no fuel lines, no throttle cables running on the inside of the hull. Everything is right in front of you, easy to maintain. And we have one of the best parts about this boat is the self-bailing cockpit. So if you wanted to throw the plug in, of course you could do that. But if this boat was staying in the water and you didn't want that bilge pump running, just take the plug out. She won't sink. That through hole is actually above the water line, so you have the option just to take it out so that water will flow in and out of the boat. This boat is powered by a Mercury 40, pushing it with plenty of power. It's really a very scooty boat out on the water. Makes it really fun to drive, really easy to just hand over to the kids and let them have some fun out on the water. But if you guys are ever interested in getting into the Whaler family, this is a great stepping stone. And we've got a lot of options with, having a full bimini tower, some cushions, a cooler. They're very versatile. But my name is Jack Neely down here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Come on down and get you one.